There we go. So I've got my good mate Steph with me today. Brought him out to see the river.
Oh yeah.
There's the temperatures.
Very straight.
There's the temperature on this in this heater, and he's on 28. He should take his jacket off to appreciate the 28. But and we got the side slip in here. That's quite clever. That is. I'll put my battery. It's not going to fit. Put it in there. All right, here we go. Nice drive home. Are we okay there? Yeah. Let's do that, can we? I might put that on full. In fact, I think I will. Okay. I don't need your football. Sport mode. Sport mode. This one has got blind spot, but I don't know if it's got cross traffic. I don't know whether this is too high, too low, or whatever, but whatever. I'm confident driving it now. And I think I can actually see through the windscreen. That's brilliant. Good. Well done. A bit steamed up on the inside, but now all I've got to get used to is the wobbly ride. Oh, and the width. We're clear. Oh. Let's try some accelerator. We're in sport mode. Oh. She's going alright.
It's like on rails.
44. Oh Christ, slow down. Slow down. Oh yeah, you can see my speed too, can't you? Shit. Right, I'm getting too warm. You missed the river then. We saw the river. Brake. All clear. Let's go. Careful, Paul. 100. She's very comfortable in the respect that you don't notice the speed. Don't notice the speed as much as in orange. It's still very odd with this one pedal lock. Well, two if you include the brake, but I don't tend to use a brake. Quick check. Yeah, all is clear coming down. Very busy going up. This is where we need some acceleration. I'm going to have to gauge this on the speedo. Right, 44, 46, 47, 52. Wish us luck. Oh God. And I can't see with it. Come on, speed up, you bastard. That's better.
It's clever, man. Oh, see that?
Yeah, you can barely see it. It's a white car.
Didn't give him up. He just shot out though.
Yeah.
It's a typical BMW driver, that is, Paul.
'77, '76, good God. Faster than I'd be driving in orange. It's because she's so quiet. 68. You can feel the wind. This traffic in orange, I'd be in the right hand lane, but I'm not going to today, not in this one. 58, 63. Police car. Just my luck. Skies hint off, sort of, yeah. Now the windscreen wipers are doing my head in. That's better.
Yeah. Just click that one.
I would have gone over to Jenny Cliff, check out the potholes, but Steph needs to get back, so. Are killing me. Now is this one going to come out? Because I can't go anywhere. They're all coming past me now, and I can't break. Yeah, I can't break the limit because I've got a cam on it. Oh, we got something fast coming up on the inside. Boy racer. Not sure.
Fucking Audi.
Is it? Oh, e-tron. That's your mate. He's with me, darling. I learned that.
being best friends with a gay.
There, he's put his foot down. You know, it would have been fun with orange.
The estuary's flooded.
Is it?
Yeah.
She does slow down when I take the foot off. Can't get to grips with these windscreen wipers. Bit more used to the wandering car and the floaty feeling. Still don't like it. My arms are killing me. So despite it being, go on, I'll sort you then. That's the Jag that went past us.
Yeah, Jaguar.
I wonder if he's a copper.
Might be.
He's going slow, very slow. Who would drive as slow as that?
Someone that's bought a Jaguar.
Very weird.
So far, we haven't seen Jesus Christ on the road today.
No. Yeah, normally do by now. Porsche. Why I'm slowing down. Never mind. God, drinking a smoke after this.
Oh, he's going slow. It's dangerously slow.
66. We're doing 67.
Yeah.
Yeah, he is going slow actually. Yeah. Damn, let's go. Go. Scary, watch me on that side.
Alright. All good.
bloody wrong way there. You straight off?
Yeah.
I thought you would be. Okay, no problem. Fine. Enjoy your meal.
Try. It'll be salad for me.
Oh, of course, yeah. I haven't weighed myself recently. I bet I put weight on.
I don't want to weigh myself. I'll just cry.
Yeah, this one would have gone an awful lot quicker, but between us, me and Steph weigh 50 stone, so.
It's not far off.
It's not.
God, they parked all with that, haven't they?
Yeah. Thank God you're parked there, because I bet you there's no spaces.
Let's have a look.
And hopefully nobody squashed you,
Yeah.
which will make it impossible for me to get in.
Yeah.
Fuckers.
Oh God, no, you're all right. They're still the same
Still
cars.
the same cars, thank God.
Good. What I need to do. God, someone's parked right behind them, look.
Yeah.
An awkward angle.
Alright, right. I'll just let me.
Yeah,
oh,
yeah.
okay. No. Yeah, no. Oh God, what am I doing? Right, hang on.
That's alright, I'll do something first anyway.
Alright, just bear with me.
That's alright, I'll bear.
Look, that's awful. I can't.
That is awful.
What's this going
I
on
know.
here? I've got
It's
that.
because the wet's on it, isn't it?
I've got the bleep bleeps, haven't I?
Yeah. You're alright, my end.
I'm suspicious of what the hell that is. It's
It's
nothing.
just a bit of rain on the camera.
Yeah, it is, isn't it?
Right.
You're going to pull out
Yeah.
full, aren't you?
So stay there. I've got to do something first before
Okay,
I go.
okay. Yeah.
Because I've got a reply, or else someone will be getting a bit miffed at why I listened to a message. And
Alright.
bear with me.
Alright. I'll turn this off.